Welcome back to the vlogs. This was horrible lighting, but this is just the lighting the room has, so you know what? Sorry. But it's worth it because we're going to do a taste test. We're going to compare Borough Market handmade, fabulous, crafted, artisanal French pastries with some M&S grocery store bought goodies and see what we think the difference is like. Is there much of a difference? I don't know. Let's try it out because I've never done the comparison. Okay, I'm going to plate them. I'm going to show you which each one is. Let's see, because that could be the theme song to my life. Also, I don't know what's going on here. It's been a windy, weird day. Boom. You know what? Just that side there. All the way filmed from that side.
Paper.
Oh yeah, from the market. It is a chocolate-filled, kind of a croissant. I can't remember the name of it. Hold on one second. But flaky crust. We're going to see how that turns out. Let me grab. Stop. Okay. Now, here is another croissant. And this one here is the grocery store one.
Well, what's this one?
Oh, let's open it up. Hold on. So they both look really flaky and good.
I cut this way.
This one kind of reminds me of placenta or something. It looked beautiful earlier today. Like, it looked just luscious. And I gotta say, it really fell apart during the day. So let me show it to you. So, oh, look at your fingers. This is a chocolate and raspberry ganache tart. I'm gonna need a fork or something to eat that with. It's gotten really gooey during the day. Thank you. Okay, the next one is a pistachio and I think cherry little tartlet, and this one is just from the grocery store. So this side of the plate is grocery store, this side is local bakery. I mean, it's funny, the grocery store ones do look better, don't they? Of the two. So I'm curious to see what they taste like. We are going to try the Borough Market, yeah, custom bakery, the chocolate raspberry tart. Okay, let me try it. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure that's going to focus. Does that? Okay, maybe it'll focus a little bit.
Oh, look, I have a spoon for a face. Hello. Hello, this is Rose Kelly. I am but a spoon today.
Now outside. Yeah.
It's good. I feel like I didn't get much of a bite that one. I just got all crust. Let me try the chocolate ganache part of it.
I'm to go for two. And do it for.
It's actually really good.
And do it for.
You really get the sense of chocolate from it. Here, Bubba.
And do it for. And do it for.
And the raspberry, it's not overwhelmingly sweet. It's nice and dark, which I like about that.
Mom, how
It's good.
this?
Oh, I'm going to eat it with a spoon.
More
I like that start. The crust is a little dry. Not in a good way. Like, it
No,
dries
let
out
me
everything
try.
else. Yeah, hold on. I'll feed it to you, my love. But I think it's good. It's not amazing. Now,
Do it.
this little pistachio tart is like a third of the price of this one. So let's compare it. You want the first bite? Yeah. I know my taste tester got in on this. She's like, what, you doing a dessert tasting, Mom? Guess who's your assistant? Okay. So this is the little tart. Uh-oh. Sample fail. Okay, I'm not showing it to you. That's all you get. Oh, hold on, sweetie. Okay, pistachio and cherry tart.
This one, no. Good.
Oh,
This one. Good.
hold on. No. You know, I didn't get a very big bite on that. Let me try that. But so far, I like it.
Mom, I'm going to take this bite.
This one first. Okay, you have to wait them. Okay, it is cherry, the fruit. I couldn't quite remember. I like it. The cherry is tart. and the crust is not overly sweet. So nothing about this is a super sweet dessert. The pistachios are really just sprinkled on top. Like, I'm not getting a lot of pistachio subtlety. It's just kind of boom, here's pistachio in your mouth. But I think that's perfectly tasty. Maybe with the tea. I want to have more fruit. It's a little bit too much dough to fruit ratio, but it's moist, which is nice. No, I think it's good. I want it to be a little bit more subtle in flavor, but like it's a grocery store, it's like, I think it was 120p. That is a good deal, I gotta say. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Taste testing, really, you gotta cleanse your palate. I put sparkling water in my water bottle and I just opened this and it exploded in my eye. Okay. Now, I'm trying to figure out how to try.
More on both these things.
Do you want a little more of that?
More on both these things.
Yeah. Here.
Both
No,
these
just try a sample. Okay. I know he wants to feed himself, but that will only cause chaos and mess. Okay, we're gonna try this. I'm not entirely sure how to bite into it and just try a sample, so I'm just gonna go for it. I don't want to make too big of a mess. I just cleaned up a huge toddler kid mess. Okay, no, sweetie, the rule is I have to feed you. Okay, let's try. No, that's a good facial expression. It's gonna make you like, thanks for showing me that. I don't want you to poke it with your fingers. No.
I'm not poking it.
You are trying to poke it with your fingers. No petting it, no poking it. I will feed it to you. He wants to poke it and lick it. Don't we all? Huh? Joke for the not kids in the audience. I like the chocolate in here. Just not a ton of it, which is always my complaint with chocolate croissants. Although this isn't a croissant. I can't remember the name of it. Croissants are the crescent shape. It's not a brioche. It's kind of the same material as croissant. But I like the chocolate's dark and not overly sweet. It's nice and buttery. A little overbaked on the top. That's good. I like it. I think this would be really good in the morning if it were warm with some tea or some coffee. It's just really simple and butter. Not like blow your mind. I'm gonna have a second bite. Sometimes croissants you gotta get into. Even though yes, this is not a croissant. I think that's really good. It's really nice and buttery. You really get that buttery taste from it, which with these, layered puffy pastries are always wonderful. So it tastes rich, but not sweet. And I like that actually about all of these so far, these three. This has probably been the sweetest of them, but this isn't very sweet. I like that none of them are knocked over the head sugary. That's always my preference because you can savor it, you can eat it, you can nibble on these. Whereas when you're eating something that's super sweet, you just bite into it, it kind of hurts your body. Hey bud, okay, we're gonna try this one.
This one.
You want that one? Okay.
Can I have that one?
Yeah, do you want, here, you can have another bite of the one you wanted. You just have to wait your turn. There you go. Okay. I can't remember what this was. It's obviously a puff pastry. What flavor do you think that is? Hazelnut? Sweetie, no jumping on the bed. No. The realism of vlogging with a kid. That's so interesting to immediately taste the two buttery pastries side by side. This, the Borough Market, bakery market, the bakery, a Camp Gourmet. Yeah, Camp Gourmet. This has a rich, layered, textured, buttery flavor. the store-bought version, which again is a third the price. Although none of these were more than $3.50
Mom,
each.
hang out this one. This one.
Okay, lay back.
Okay.
And I think that this one was the most expensive. This chocolate
Please.
one. Yeah, of course. There's no comparison between the store-bought and the bakery. The bakery one is just infinitely better. This is fine. Like, you totally eat the store-bought one at a at a hotel breakfast buffet, and you wouldn't think anything of it. Here, have the bite of this one. But when you have them side by side, it's such a clear comparison. Whereas I thought that the little tart was like a purple one. I would have expected to find that at an actual bakery. Whereas the little puff pastry one, it doesn't hold up as well. I have to admit, I don't think I'm going to get through these all this tonight. I'm going to eat some of them for breakfast tomorrow because we're going to go on a train tomorrow. And I will pack up what I think, probably the croissant, which isn't the croissant, but tell me in the comments, what are they called? I'm just too tired. I know I read it today when I bought it, but I can't remember. Might bring that along. And then I'll bring a thermos full of tea. Oh, because we're so British. Not that. We have a little thermos. And then we'll eat that and that'll be a nice little nibble because it's a 6-hour train journey. It's a long haul. But I think it'll be fun. Sweetie, you need to calm down. Otherwise, we're going to turn off cartoons for the night. That's going to be the consequence. When we're wild, Mommy is not inclined to let you do cartoons, okay? Not if they make you wild. But good. I think they were all perfectly fine to good. My favorite is the chocolate raspberry one. And I think that's rich enough that half of it's going to go with us tomorrow on the train and we're going to eat it. Yeah, I'm impressed with them all. I think you'd totally be fine doing the M&S little baked goods if you were gathering stuff up for a picnic or, you know, just taking stuff back to your hotel or your rental for breakfast in the morning. But it's totally worth it to go to the local bakery or to one of the street markets and to really buy from the bakers some baked goods. And if you have kids, you know, and you're traveling with that, get you and your spouse the bakery goods from the local bakery, the local market, and then go to the grocery store and buy your kids things that they won't know the difference of. And I'm all for introducing children to better flavors and more complexity, but when you're traveling, sometimes it makes sense to give them a nibble of yours and then give them something that they won't know the difference of that costs a quarter or a third, right? Because that adds up over a trip every time you're buying them. Careful, I don't have any more of those blocks. You'll have to look under the bed. But it's a good way to kind of get your tasty flavor in without spending a bucket load if you're having to buy for kids and other family. Yes. You're going to have to let it lay down and then fix it. Good job. So I hope you have fun watching the silly taste testing things. This was actually really entertaining. I kind of want to do this more now. Let me know in the comments, would you like to see more taste testing food elements comparisons, maybe of particular things? There could also be comparisons for child palate appropriateness, you know, will kids like this, or maybe just for you parents, because sometimes you want a tasty treat. It's very yummy. I'm going to keep eating these. Nom nom nom. I don't know how many I'm going to be able to get through because it's actually really filling, isn't it? It's surprising. Give these a thumbs up if you like these fun videos. As always, you can find all that info in the description box down below. Click see more. Boom. Do it. Click it. Yep. Oh, there. You see it? That's the link to my Amazon author page, which is one of the locations you can buy my books at. They're fabulous, wonderful romance books. Some include elements of travel, some include elements of magic. I have a great sci-fi book thank you so much to everybody that has bought a copy. That has meant the world to me because that book has done so well. Thank you. I love writing those books, and it inspires me whenever you email me or send me a message on Instagram or a message on here that you enjoyed the book. It really inspires me then to write the next one in the series. You can check the link on there for all of those. Download your own. And until next time, hey, thank you all so much. Whoa, he's building cool stuff with blocks. I will see you all over my Instagram and Twitter. Okay, I love y'all. Thank you so much for subscribing, giving thumbs up, and just being a part of this fun channel. Until next time. Is it fun? I don't know. I guess it's like a fun educational thing. No. Now I've thought about what I said. Oh no, I'm gonna be thinking about that all day. Fun educational channel. Educationally entertaining or entertainingly educational. Boom. That works.
Wow.
That does describe my channel better. Hey, I'm gonna see you all around. Fight the jet lag. Go explore. Because it's fun. And it's great to do as a family. I love it. I mean, you know, it's driving me crazy with his jet lag reaction, but it's still great. Love y'all.